Hello all, welcome to my channel Pharma Dive. This channel is purely for educational purpose and aims to provide valuable information. So, if you are ready to dive into the world of pharma, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Let's explore, learn and gain together. Today's topic is current good manufacturing practices in pharma industry. Current good manufacturing practices are regulations and guidelines followed by pharmaceutical industries to ensure medicines are consistently manufactured, tested, and controlled according to quality standards. Regulatory agencies like US FDA and WHO enforce these standards to ensure drug safety, quality, purity, and effectiveness. What is cGMP? cGMP stands for Current Good Manufacturing Practices. Current means companies must use updated technologies and systems. Ensures medicines are safe, effective, pure, and consistent in quality. If new standards are introduced which are better than current, the manufacturer is under obligation to comply with the new procedures. According to US FDA, cGMP regulations provide systems for proper design, monitoring, and control of manufacturing processes and facilities. The objectives of cGMP are to ensure product quality, patient safety, and consistency in every batch of pharmaceutical products. It helps prevent contamination, mix-ups, manufacturing errors, and ensures proper documentation and traceability throughout the manufacturing process. cGMP also ensures compliance with regulatory standards by identifying, investigating, and correcting any deviations from standard procedures. This helps pharmaceutical industries maintain reliable processes and produce safe and effective medicines. Why current GMP matters? Because pharma cannot follow outdated methods and quality standards evolve with science. cGMP matters in pharma because it builds quality into product during every stage of manufacturing instead of relying only on final testing. It helps prevent defective medicines, contamination, incorrect labeling, and mix-ups before product reach patient. cGMP also improves company reputation, supports global pharmaceutical exports, and ensures compliance with regulatory requirements for market authorization. According to WHO, cGMP minimizes risk that cannot always be detected through final product testing alone. Let's understand key elements of cGMP. There are number of cGMP fundamental principles that form the foundation of good manufacturing practices for pharma products. Together, these principles ensure that pharma companies produce consistent quality products that comply with regulatory requirements. First key element is quality management system. It is the foundation of cGMP. It includes an organization's quality policies, processes, and procedures. Second is personnel and training. Qualified and well-trained employees are essential for maintaining cGMP compliance in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Regular training on GMP principles, hygiene, and safety must be conducted, while training records, effectiveness reviews, and defined responsibilities should be properly maintained. Next key element is well-maintained facilities and equipment. Manufacturing areas must be clean, well-maintained, and properly ventilated to prevent contamination. Clean rooms, HVAC systems, and equipments should be regularly maintained and calibrated to ensure accurate and reliable operations. Fourth key element is documentation and record keeping. All pharmaceutical processes, from raw material receipt to finished product release, must be properly documented through SOPs, BMRs, and BPRs. Records should be legible, traceable, and written for the required period. And electronic records must follow data integrity principles such as Alcoa Plus. cGMP further focuses on effective material management. Raw materials, intermediate materials, and packaging materials should be procured only from approved suppliers and tested by QC before use. Materials must be properly segregated into approved, rejected, and quarantine areas and stored under suitable storage conditions to maintain quality. Next key element is production and in-process controls. Production activities must follow approved manufacturing and packaging instructions to ensure consistent product quality. Line clearance, in-process checks such as weight, pH, temperature monitoring, and regular recording of critical process parameters are essential during manufacturing. QA must review and approve batch records before releasing the final product. Next key element is qualification and validation. It ensures that systems, processes, equipments, and methods perform as intended and consistently produce quality products. This includes equipment qualification such as IQ, OQ, and PQ, along with process validation, cleaning validation, and analytical method validation. Next key element is quality control and testing. Quality control ensures that raw materials, in-process samples, and finished products meet predetermined quality standards. Proper sampling methods, regular calibration of analytical instruments, stability studies, and correct storage of written samples and reference standards are essential for maintaining product quality and shelf life. Next key element is handling of deviations, CAPA, complaints, and product recall. All deviations must be properly documented and investigated to identify the root cause of problems. Corrective and preventive actions, market complaint investigations, and effective product recalls procedures help ensure patient safety and continuous quality improvement. Next key element is self-inspection and audits. Regular self-inspections and internal audits are conducted to ensure compliance with cGMP requirements. Audits should be performed by trained auditors. Findings must be categorized as critical, major, or minor, and audit results should be reviewed for continuous improvement. Important cGMP regulations are US FDA 21 CFR Parts 210 and 211, WHO GMP Guidelines, EU GMP Hydraulics Volume 4, for India Schedule M, and PICS Pharmaceutical Inspection and Cooperation Scheme. How to maintain cGMP compliance? Management commitment is very important. Executive leadership must strongly support quality and regulatory compliance. Routine internal audits help identify operational gaps, document findings, and drive CAPA. Regular training keeps staff up to date on cGMP, SOPs, and industry best practices. Maintaining accurate, reliable records like SOPs, batch documents, and validation report is essential. Routine maintenance and calibration ensure all equipment operates accurately and reliably. Regularly analyzing current workflows is key to driving continuous quality improvement. Utilizing tools like LIMS, electronic batch records, and other technologies can effectively minimize human error. Common cGMP violations include poor documentation, inadequate cleaning, data integrity issues, improper equipment maintenance, cross-contamination, absence of stability data, incomplete process validation, and incomplete investigations. These violations can affect product quality, patient safety, and regulatory compliance. The benefits of cGMP include ensuring the manufacturing of consistent, reliable medicines that protect patient safety by drastically reducing the risk of harmful products. Maintaining these standards streamlines the regulatory approvals by meeting strict FDA and WHO expectations, which directly strengthens the market reputation and builds consumer trust. Ultimately, adhering to cGMP drives long-term cost efficiency by successfully preventing expensive product recalls, legal liabilities, and manufacturing downtime. Implementing cGMP can be challenging due to high cost, continuous employee training, frequent regulatory updates, and heavy documentation requirements. Maintaining strong data integrity is also a major challenge for pharmaceutical companies. Modern pharmaceutical industries are focusing on data integrity, automation, digital manufacturing, risk-based quality management, continuous process verification, quality risk management, global regulatory harmonization, and AI-driven smart manufacturing systems. Regulatory agencies are also emphasizing stricter compliance with cGMP standards during inspections. Conclusion: patients may never see pharmaceutical factories, but they trust every medicine they take. That trust is built through cGMP. Current good manufacturing practices are the foundation of quality pharmaceutical manufacturing. They ensure medicines are consistently safe, effective, and of high quality. Following cGMP helps pharmaceutical companies maintain regulatory compliance, protect patient health, and improve operational excellence. Thank you all for your time and attention. If you like this presentation on cGMP, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel Pharma Dive.